Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome to the cast and director and cast and crew commentary for Paper Airplane. We are here with Miss Lauren Messina. Sorry. So hi everybody. Yeah, so she can't be here today, so we're gonna do this over Skype or whatever. So please say hi.
Hey.
And we have Tin here, who is our main protagonist, right? So obviously, as you guys can see, for this particular video, it's a kind of a different approach that we had for like the whole Korean drama thing, considering that one, it's a Japanese song, and two, it's like it doesn't really end in a happy note, kind of, but like kind of ambiguous, open-ended, kind of hopeful. But yeah, anyways, Intern, you ready? So, Lawrence, I'm gonna count 3, 2, 1, go. And I think people, if you guys have seen the Forgotten Kingdom cast and crew commentary, we are doing the long distance relationship method, where I count it down. I hear her hit play, then we hit play. Okay, ready? Okay. All right, on go. 3,
on go.
2, 1, go. Yes, and love begins.
Good timing.
Double tap.
That's it. Go. Goodbye.
Dang.
It's okay too. Legit, actually, this is the first time we used our mic again. Like, after a really long while.
This is for that one thing.
Yeah.
Oh, they're both?
Yeah.
It's that.
That's right. I never used it.
It's funny because Lauren didn't even know what she was giving him.
Is there Yanya in there?
All the
I
people.
put the Yanya in there. Why is there Yanya in
Yo, I love this shot.
Like, yeah, these shots.
Good,
of you.
I think it's over the white with the green here.
Yeah, dude. God damn. Yeah, it's the first time you guys have seen it.
We actually filmed this like.
I saw it. It's kind of weird.
Perfect, bro.
I mean, it moves fast.
The relationship moving fast. Things heating up. Oh my god!
The best thing I've learned. I want that relationship. I want my bed sheet like opening
Like,
it out.
for no reason at all.
They were like,
Oh! Walk away.
In your spooky basement.
Yeah, this is like.
Oh yeah, I remember this.
memory.
You're adorable.
Yeah, wow, it's like I want memories like this. Like that, right?
No!
Just like wait, fuck that. Let me scratch it. I want the girl to remember me like that.
Oh,
Same clear color, like, duality. They're acting at a time. Very, like,
I wanna feel you
graphical.
close to me.
The first shot. The first shot was
Oh.
My heart.
Wait, let's go.
Wait,
So-
Lauren,
Oh, would you stop it?
That was so
Get
fantastic.
ready to stop it.
Oh, my bad.
It's all good.
Whatever, it's fine. It's just.
Oh, intern.
Oh, guys.
You like it?
I loved it. Oh my gosh. It turned out so great.
It did, right?
It's
So
worth the wait.
it was worth the. Oh! God. I mean, well, you know, I guess. What? Because I'm pretty sure I know I wrote this because I was like, man, fucking hate like all these like happy like ass Korean dramas that end up happy. Like what if? Like, no, it
Makes
makes
sense.
sense. Like, you know, like every story, like every love story doesn't have to always end with a, you know, happily ever after. It could mean like, you know, maybe things beginning. You begin.
Yeah, it could be like a really big love, but it could be short lived.
And that's a reality too.
People always are changing, and it just makes sense in that way, but it doesn't mean you don't like lose that feeling when you're looking at memories about it and things like that.
See,
A lesson learned.
a lesson learned. That's kind of like the end of like 500 Days of Summer.
Days of Summer, yeah.
That's
Yeah.
awesome. So, well, Tin.
Oh, well,
All right, so like just
Tin.
thoughts, just because first time you saw it, Tin. Like, what do you think?
turned out a lot better than I expected.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm surprised too.
Actually, yeah, it surprised us too after we finished it.
Wait, because like it only took us like what, like literally 2-3 days, right?
Yeah. Well, it was 2 days.
2 days,
Shit,
yeah.
2 days, because like
'Cause
she came
Yeah.
the
so
night before.
Lauren came in because
A night and a morning,
You're
essentially,
located in New York.
for me.
So then we had to get a bus for her. She came in like the evening-ish. So we actually had to film that last shot before the sun went down. And then
On
afterwards,
the first day.
yeah, on the first day, then we started filming a bunch of other stuff. And then like afterwards we
Slept
were
for
done.
4 hours.
Slept for 4 hours. Woke
Yes,
up
we
at,
did.
4 or something, and then we started filming. And then you had to leave at like noon.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had to be at work.
Under
It was,
24
yeah,
Yeah,
it was,
it was
it was
under-
Holy
great.
crap! Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Under 24 hours.
24 hours.
Yeah, so you know those 48-hour film like competitions, we did one in less than 24. Hey.
Very
I
good
mean, granted, though, we already had a script that you only
Yeah,
wanted to
that's
shoot,
true.
but like, what's besides that?
It was
like,
planned ahead, but the filming, you know,
Yeah, it was.
the way.
I mean, I guess it was pretty like hectic.
We
Wow.
built up and destroyed a relationship in less than 24
It hurt.
hours.
It honestly hurt watching this relationship go from like 0 to like 60 to 100, then like gone. Well,
Yes.
that's why like I mean, yeah. Hopefully in the future, Lauren, like if you'd like to, just more stuff.
hey, you guys are amazing to work with. I would
Thank you so much.
I'm not just saying that. I really mean it. It was such a fun experience.
Yay, thank you so much. Really
You
appreciate
guys are really creative with what you guys put into it and everything. Like the way the shots were taken were very strategic and smart, but also like touching and appropriate, and I loved it.
Thank you. Thank you so much. No, seriously, and
Yes,
like,
thank you.
it's like it's your smile, dude. Like
Yeah.
you have a gorgeous ass smile, dude.
Because I remember after I
Thanks.
worked with you on that one thing, I was
Dimples,
just
man.
like, hey, Joey, I found the girl.
People
and he was
with
like,
dimples
what?
suck.
I was like, here. He's like, what?
Oh, these. Anyways, no, it was good. It was good. No, seriously, though. So, guys, thank you so much for watching the cast and crew and director commentary for Cry for You. please please
Paper airplane.
oh paper airplane. Sorry.
That's the song
That's
though.
the song.
That's the
Cry
song.
for you. Okay, yeah. So yeah, one of my favorite Japanese
R&B
half
artists.
R&B artist. But anyways, yeah, thank you for watching Paper Airplane. If you guys really like this type of stuff that we've been doing on our channel, which is not just action, but we try to be filmmakers and we do everything. So, yeah.
And this was actually funded by our patrons.
Oh yes, yeah. Thank you
Yes.
Patreon for
Thank you.
funding this. Yeah, even though it might be we filmed this or we put it out months after we actually filmed it, to fit our release schedule. Thank you again. So if you guys really want to see more stuff from us where it's not just fighting, I mean, of course we're still gonna do that, but comedy or drama, all these other things, because we are filmmakers and we're not just
One trick ponies.
yeah, one.
Yeah.
So definitely, please consider being a patron on our Patreon, or check out our shirts, merchandise, or just please subscribe and just pass on our videos to people that might want to see it, and that's really all we ask for. So thank you guys so much, and thank you again to Tin and Lauren for being part of my drama. I hope to make more. All right, bye guys. Hi guys. I accidentally cut prematurely. Oh, actually, shit. Give me one, because she hasn't seen
she
it
hasn't
yet.
seen it yet. So with
Oh.
every major project, we always, as you guys know, we like to have our own little posters.
So Lauren, we're gonna come. We're actually gonna come there on hopefully we can see you on
Tuesday
on
and
Tuesday.
Wednesday.
Could you
So-
sign a bunch of our posters so we can send it to our fans?
Yeah. Oh my God, that's such a good shot. Yes.
Right?
It's adorable.
Yeah. So Tin already signed this. So.
I want one.
Oh yeah, you're gonna have
She
one.
has-
Yeah, so in case you guys want to see it,
Yeah.
paper airplane.
So yeah, if you guys are, how are we doing this?
Oh,
The
we have
Patreon
to,
thing?
yeah.
Well, basically, if you guys are follow us on our Facebook and our Patreon,
Yeah.
we will let you guys know a way so you guys can actually get our posters. So we actually have a lot of posters.
Yes.
I guess we might as well. As you can, I don't know if you guys can see it, but other things, from previous projects as well. So we
major
decided to
projects.
finally kind of start releasing some of them to our fans and stuff. So please, if you follow us on Patreon or Facebook, at least, you guys will find out ways how to get a poster or something, and they're all autographed. They're all
They're all
autographed.
signed.
I mean, crap. Do we still have auntie ones? Cause
Yes. I think
Jesus,
so.
we still have auntie ones. So.
Somewhere. I don't know. We have a lot of posters.
I know.
So.
So yeah.
the one with a gun, but just gun.
Want to drop out the love, but it's
Yeah,
just done.
just gun. Just blow it up.
Well, we can get that custom made for you, Pat. But thank you again, guys, for watching the cast and crew commentary for Paper Airplanes. Till next video.
Alright,
Bye.
Hey guys, so we're actually in New York, and since we're here for this other thing, we thought we'll just hit up Lauren and just give her poster.
Oh, love
Right.
it.
It looks
Wow.
better in person
It does look
than
way better.
through the webcam.
But it's
Oh my god, oh, yeah. And Tin already signed it, of course.
awesome.
And now you're gonna have to sign all of them too.
Yay.
Yeah. So yeah, when you get famous, we could sell this.
Ha!
Hell yeah, dude.
I'll do right here because this is kind of nice.
Or take us much you need.
Yeah. I
You
have
suffer the fans though.
Bam.
yeah, leave some for the fans. Ew.